In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in to the LinkedIn app. To get started, open the LinkedIn app on your phone or tablet. Once the app launches, look for the Sign In option on the main screen and tap it to begin. This will take you to the login page where you can enter the account details linked to your LinkedIn profile. On the Sign In screen, type in your registered email address or phone number in the first field. Then in the password field, enter your password carefully. Make sure everything is typed correctly, especially if your device is using autofill or if your keyboard has automatically capitalized a letter by mistake. Taking a moment to double-check your login details can help you avoid unnecessary sign-in errors. After entering your information, tap the Sign In button to continue. If your details are correct, LinkedIn will log you in and take you straight to your accounts. If you want a faster option, you can also sign in by tapping Continue with Google. This is a convenient choice if your LinkedIn account is connected to your Google account and you prefer not to type your login information manually. After tapping that option, follow the prompt on your screen and confirm the account you want to use. Once you confirm, the app will complete the sign-in process for you. If a confirmation screen appears, simply review the information and approve it to move forward. This step helps verify that you're signing in with the correct account. After that, you should be taken directly into the LinkedIn app. If you run into trouble signing in, the most common issues are usually an incorrect password, using a different email address or phone number than the one registered on the account, or selecting the wrong Google account. So if something doesn't work right away, just go back and check those details carefully. And that's it. Once you're signed in, you can start using LinkedIn to check notifications, respond to messages, explore job opportunities, and update your professional profile right from the app. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you sign into the LinkedIn app quickly and easily.